You describe yourself as a conscious channel. What does this mean? How do you connect? And with whom do you connect?
Yes, I learned about this term when I was in an interview. I had a channeling interview, which was something that I had never had before, but I wanted to provide services to a local new age store some probably 15 years ago. And the owner said, "Okay, I have to get a feel for your work first, so come in and I'm going to ask you questions and you're going to channel answers for me." And this is very stressful, as you might imagine. So we sat in a little room and she asked me to channel all the beings she asked me to channel. And when I was done, she said to me, I'm very glad to see that you're a conscious channel. And she said, because that's really all I want to, that's what I resonate with, and that's what I want to offer through my shop. And I said, oh, thank you. What is that? What does that mean? I had no idea what the difference was. But the type of channeling that I do, I'm very aware of the messages that are coming through. I see images. I do have feeling and sensation, emotion that comes with it, but I am the only one inhabiting my body when I channel. There's no energy that's overtaking me or that is moving me physically in a certain way. And so that's what's referred to as conscious channeling. I remember the messages. I remember what I've said. I might not remember every detail because they come through rather quickly, but I am fully aware. And so that's what I understood then to be conscious channeling. And then there's trance channeling, which is different than what I do. And there are some beautiful trance channelers out there as well. So we all work a little bit differently with spirit, but conscious channeling is how I work. It's kind of how I was first exposed to channeling, and so I decided then that's what I'm most comfortable with. I want to be the only one in here in this body experiencing what's going on, and so my guides work with me to ensure that things stay within the context of my comfort zone. So that's how I would describe it.